How to find your lost Android phone in 2024. Hey everyone. Losing your Android phone can be super stressful, but don't worry. I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly track down your lost device using Google's Find My Device in 2024. Let's get started. If your Android device is signed into your Google account, you can easily locate it using Google's Find My Device system. Simply go to a computer or another device and sign into your Google account to get started. Now open your web browser and navigate to google.com/android/find. Select the device you're trying to locate. For this example, we'll choose the Galaxy A10s. You'll see your Android's location on the map, along with its battery level and the connected Wi-Fi network. From the menu on the left, you can choose various options. If you select Play Sound, your device will ring for 5 minutes, even if it's on silent. With the Secure Device option, you can add a message for anyone who finds your phone, along with a contact phone number. Additionally, you have the option to erase all data on your device.